In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Robux to another Roblox account. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more Roblox specific content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to transfer your Robux to another account here on Roblox, the first thing that you're going to want to do is first on the account that is going to receive your Robux, go ahead and click create up in the very top of the Roblox page once you do get logged in. In this left hand menu, go ahead and find the creations options and then go ahead and find the experiences section right here. Find your default place, and what you're going to want to do is actually click on it just like so. And then on this page, go ahead and scroll down until you do find the monetization tab and find something like the passes. What you're going to want to do here is actually create a pass. So select the create a pass button here, keep all of this the same, but name it something. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and just name this pass just like so. And then you can put in a description if you would like. Simply hit create just like so. And from here, what you're going to want to do is actually click on the pass button here. Then navigate into the sales tab. And what you're going to want to do is list the item for sale. And in the section where it does say price, what you're going to want to do is put the price of the amount of Robux that you'd like to transfer. So in this case, let's put 100 on here. Go ahead and tick off this section that says enable regional pricing and hit save changes. And now from the account that's actually sending the Robux, first, obviously make sure that they are friends with your account right here. But open up a separate tab, get logged into the account. Click on that profile just like so. We're going to pretend that this guy has it and navigate into their creations tab. From here, go ahead and find their place just like so, and then go into the stores tab within it, and you're going to see the pass here. Simply go ahead and buy whatever pass they listed, and the Robux are going to be transferred to their account. That is after Roblox standard transaction fee, which is 30%. So keep in mind, it's going to be 70% of whatever the price you set is. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.